The common story is that running is the best cardio for fat loss. The reality is, at least after 35, rocking almost always wins, and the math isn't even close. I'm 3 months into trying to get to 15% body fat, and I don't really like running. So I asked Claude what to do about it. I asked it to show me calorie by calorie what's the difference between the two exercises, running versus rocking. The difference between putting on 35 pounds on my back and walking versus a jog. I expected it to tell me suck it up and keep running, but it didn't. Here's the math. A 200-pound guy jogging about 5 miles per hour will burn about 600 calories. The same man with 35 pounds walking at about 3.5 miles per hour will burn about 550. But running for an hour costs you a recovery, stress on your joints, and even an extra rest day. Rocking costs you almost nothing. You can do it every day. So overall, weekly calorie total isn't even close. Running maybe 1800 calories. Rocking can go up to 3500. Same person, same time, half the impact on the body, double the calories. Isn't an anti-running video. If you like to run, just run. It has all sorts of other benefits. But if you're in your 30s and 40s and you skip running a couple of times this week because your knee hurts, you're not lazy. You picked a tool that just costs too much. Cardio isn't about what burns the most per hour. It's actually about what you will consistently do for 300 hours.